Welcome back to another lesson, and in this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to import your media files. This includes videos, images, and audio. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you can see here, I have my project open. I have my project settings set up. Now I just want to go ahead and import some media files here. So these you are going to be able to download. If you look underneath the resources for this lesson, you're going to be able to download everything that I'm going to be using in this course. There's some videos. There's going to be some audio files. There's also some images that you can use to practice as we go through this course. Okay, so let me go ahead and import this. I'm going to go ahead and hit the import button here. You can also go to menu, file, import. Okay, import here is almost the same thing. So I'm going to hit import. And it's going to ask you to navigate where you have your files saved. Okay, so now I have a link here to where my files are saved. I'm going to go ahead and navigate over there. So you can see I do have a bunch of videos. So these are videos here. I have some audio files here, 3 of those, and also have some images here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select everything here by clicking the first one, holding shift, and clicking the last one. This is going to select everything. I'm going to go ahead and hit open. There we go. Now we have imported our media files here. They're going to load. They're going to try to, you can see that there's a load button here. Now, the cool thing here, since we turned on our proxy, right? If you remember when we're setting up our detail 0 project settings, we turned on our proxies. This is going to convert all our videos into a proxy 720p proxies. If we go to modify, we go to performance, you can see that we have it set to this, right? So if these were big files, they are going to be reduced in size in order to allow me to edit these a lot faster, right? Instead of using the original big files, I am going to be able to use a 720p version of this. But when I do export my video to the, as the final result, I am going to be able to keep my original 1920 by 1080p 30 fps video. I'm going to be able to import that, to export that. Okay, now this is how you're going to be able to import. So I'm going to wait for some of these to load. Actually, hold on. So these are going to be audio files. Audio files are going to look like this. You can see, they have audio waves here, and you also have your images. You see that only images here. You see that only the videos had a proxy applied to them. Okay, so you can right click on any of these, and you're going to be able to delete those. You can also open the file location, right? So if I hit the file location, it's going to open up on my desktop. It's going to tell me exactly where it's saved. Okay, now if we go to, let's right click again, you also have the ability to cancel the proxy file, and you can also split the scene here. Okay, so that is how you are going to be able to import media files to get started with your project. This is the first thing. The first thing is setting up your project settings, which is what I covered. You also have, the next thing is going to be importing the videos and images that you are going to use within your project. Okay, now that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.